Hey guys, we're out at the Samsung Developer Conference 2018 and they announced a ton of new stuff today, like the new foldable phone that everyone is getting really excited about. But they also announced another really interesting thing that kind of replaces the whole Samsung experience user interface, and this is called Samsung OneUI. Now the whole idea behind OneUI is that our phones are really big, but it's really hard to reach things with one hand. Originally, our phones were designed so that we would be able to interact with things with one hand because they were like 4 inches or even smaller. But now phones are getting upwards of like over 6 inches tall. So it's really hard to interact with things, especially with your thumb when you have to reach all the way to the top. So effectively what OneUI does is it puts the visual elements at the top of the screen and the interactive elements on the bottom of the screen. So you can almost think of this like split screen mode in Android where you've got one app running on the top and one app running on the bottom. You've basically got the visual elements of the app in the top of the display and the interactive elements in the bottom. And they've gone as far as moving a lot of the icons and UI elements around so they're easier to reach too. So for example, if you're trying to get to the settings menu, you can swipe down from the top and the settings toggle icon is actually a little bit lower, so it's easier for your thumb to press. If you're in something like the messaging app or even the dialer app, it's gonna shift all the UI elements down a little bit. So in the dialer, all the numbers from 1 to 9 are in the bottom half of the screen, so you can do everything with one hand. You're not gonna have to use two hands or hold your phone with one hand and reach up to just to dial numbers. They're also bringing night mode to OneUI because they said that a lot of people are really excited about that. Or you can have the user interface match the color of your phone. So if you got a pink phone, then it'll be pink. If you got a green phone, it'll be green. So that's pretty cool. There's gonna be a beta launching for this in the next couple of months, and it's supposed to be launching on Galaxy S9, Galaxy S9 Plus, and Galaxy Note 9 in the beginning of next year. So Samsung's got a ton of other stuff here at Samsung Developer Conference 2018. Don't forget to check that all out on our website, androidauthority.com, and I'll see you in the next video because, of course, we are your source for all things Android.